Pitaka makes some really nice, strong, slim cases, and they've been making these cases and perfecting them for quite some time now. Here we have the MagEZ Case 3 for the Google Pixel Fold. Now, if you guys do want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the video description, and at the end of the review, I'll let you know if I recommend it and it's worth your time. If you like super slim, strong, minimalist cases, Pitaka is definitely the way to go. So let's get started. So they have a really nice presentation with this magnetic box. Got these doors that open up on each side. Here is the case itself. I love the fact that they're starting to make these two-tone designs. They absolutely look amazing. Here we have a little thank you card and the other side for our case. Now, just like most of the other cases, these do have a sticker along the edge here to help keep the case in place. And it's also MagSafe compatible, so you can use pretty much any of the iPhone MagSafe accessories with this. As you can see, it is super slim and is like feather light. You really don't even notice that the case is there. It's got this really cool aramid fiber, which is really nice and smooth, and I absolutely love that pattern. It is so cool. It easily just pops onto your phone just like that. Put the front of the case on too. And there we go. You almost can't even tell that the phone has a case on it. It's that thin. Feels really nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's got a nice smooth feel to it. If we look at the front, as you can see, it does have a slight raised edge to help protect the front of your phone. On the bottom, we have all of our cutouts, as well as on the top. On the side, we have our cutouts for our volume rocker and our power button. On the back, it's got that really cool feel with the nice design, and it also has a raised edge to help protect your cameras as well. And then look at how thin that case is. It's pretty much just as thick as the phone itself. So let's open it up. Very nice. It does have a ever so slight raised edge, as you can see right here. So it will help protect your screen if you happen to put your phone face down. The case itself does look like it's staying in place, which is nice. Close it up. Perfect. No movement at all. So let's see if it works with wireless charging. No problems there. And like I said before, it also works with iPhone MagSafe accessories like this power bank here. Clip that onto the back, push the power button, and it starts to charge your phone. I love the fact that they're starting to make Android cases that are compatible with the MagSafe accessories. Pitaka not only sells cases for your phone, but they also do sell the accessories such as car chargers and desk chargers as well. I would definitely recommend checking out their website to see everything that they have to offer. But this is definitely one of my top favorite minimalist cases. What do you guys think? Will you be picking one of these up? Let me know in the comments below. I love the fact that it's super slim and it also offers protection for your phone. And the fact that it's got that MagSafe magnet built in as well. You guys have to feel this aramid fiber for yourself. If you've never felt it, you're definitely going to fall in love with it as soon as you put it on your phone. Again, if you want a super strong case that's going to keep your phone nice and slim and give you some really good protection, I would highly recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So what did you guys think of this case? Will you be picking one up? Let me know in the comments below. And again, if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting a product link in the video description. I'd also recommend checking out my best and worst cases video for the Google Pixel Fold because it offers a ton of different cases. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.